So I dug out the starter that was in Lola when I first got her, and so this is the one that I changed out 2 years ago, and this is the one that I just pulled out now. Man, you really think a starter should last longer than 2 years. I hope this newer one, being a larger outside diameter, is better. But if you notice, the starter on the left, the one I just took out, is actually got a longer case on it, so it's got more windings. You would think it would have lasted longer. That's the way it goes.